Hello, this is Yousef, student ID number 215398826, and this is my reset submission. So, the start of the project, um, we've created a Firebase, which includes the storage, the Firebase database itself, and then authentication for login and sign up. The storage included the pictures, which I've used for the um, profiles or for the albums, and then the songs themselves. I've used 12 songs in this case. And then the Firebase included each genre, and then it included the cover URL, the name, and then the songs, which I've actually created another database including each of the songs. And each song includes the ID, title, and then the URL. It makes it quicker for me instead of having all these details mentioned one after the other here. So later on in this video we're gonna check the authentication, but before that I start off with the wireframe. So my idea of a design was to create a home page which included four genres. Obviously if I've had more genres it would go down here, it would fill the whole page. And then once this button is clicked, it would move to the login page. And if you do not have a login page, it would move to the sign up page. But if you have a login, you just log in and then move immediately into the song list, back into the home page. Then from there, you can click on one of the genres, and let's say you click on alternative, which would take you to this page, and then you could choose one of your songs. At that stage, when I was creating the prototype, I did not have an image as to what I want my song playing section would look like, but it comes afterwards in the actual application. All right. For starters, we'll go through explaining, giving a brief explanation of each of the classes, and then move on to the actual application. So we start with main activity, which was the basis of this whole application. I've created the applications to surround it in general. Obviously, it's connected to activity main XML, and then it interacts with the Firebase quite a lot to bring in the images, um, and it also connects to the login page. And then you'd have songs list activity, which is responsible for displaying a list of songs within a specific category. And then you have category adapter, um, which is the class used to populate the recycle view with categories, which you will see later on in the actual application. And when it comes to the section song list adapter, it is also used to populate the recycle view, but when it comes to the section where it just shows the song itself, specifically the song playing at the moment, which again we will be showing later on. And it's similarly, this adapter is to fill the recycle view, but in this case it's the list of songs within the album. And then moving on to the actual application, we can see that once you run it, you would have the albums here. You have the logo and the welcome back. Once you click here, it moves you to sign in. Now, if we go back to the database, there is no user saved. Hence why we're gonna have to go create an account. and then create an account. Once you've created the account, it says user created successfully and it moves you to login. And if we move back to the authentication and refresh, the user should appear here. And now once you log in, it should take us back to the home page. Now we can click on one of the albums. It moves you to this page, which gives you the song selections. And let's say we play this song in specific. Now this page I struggled to come up with a design for, hence why I had to research this page I struggled to find a proper design for, hence why I had to research, and I found a few videos that I can implement, one of which was this specific design where it moves according to the song itself, and then the fact that I can move 15 seconds forward or move 15 seconds backwards, but just to make sure the song is playing and you can hear and watch the design. And then once you press return, it takes you back to the album. You can choose another song to play, or you can go back all the way here. And if you're back in the home page, you have an option here where you can go back to the song that is playing at the moment. So let's have the song playing, and you're back here. You can click on it. And once you click return, it takes you all the way back to the home screen in this case. And yeah.